Hi guys, it's me again. It's Carlita. My name is Carlita. So welcome back to my channel. And for today's reaction video, I'm gonna react to Bini perform Sweet Tooth live on Wish 107.5 Boss. Boss? 107.5 Boss. Wish Boss. So, ito yata yung pinakahuli nilang Wish Boss, which is nandito sa Philippines. Hindi ko sure kung saan banda to. Hindi ko na-check. Pero, yeah. And then, umaga pa lang daw, marami ng taong nakaabang. Diba? To think naman, tingnan nyo naman siya. Ang dami talaga. And, umulan pa to guys, umulan pa. So, ayan. Without further ado, tayo na. Ha? So, let's react to Bini performs Sweet Tooth live on Wish 107.5 Boss.
Wish.
Oh, nagkasya sila.
107.5.
Your love is sweet like watermelon gum.
Grabe yung boses ni Mika parang galing sa ulan.
It's probably not so good for me, but I don't care at all.
Candy Crush, I hope it's never gone. Soon I'll get a cavity.
Bebe, kumakain ka pa ba?
But how can I self-regulate? Your love has got me hard. I should
Grabe
try
naman yung ice
something
cream.
healthy, but it never tastes as good. Me and my sweet tooth. Now I can't help but feel I want you. I know there's plenty worse addictions, but I just can't help but feeling.
Ako lang ba? Pero parang may echo yung nila. Parang naririnig ko yung boses nila na umi-echo pa. Malamig na nga umi-echo pa. Grabe, nagkasya sila dito sa usually kasi di ba parang sila, magkabila ang sa side ng bus. And yeah, ngayon nagkasya.
Me and my sweet tooth, baby. Problem with a heart of candy rocks. Oh, you really have to work for it, but still don't get a lot.
It's 4 a.m., I'm still up in the dark. Buzzing off the sugar rush, I tried to make it stop.
But how can I
Self-regulate you.
yung abs naman ni Sheena, grabe naman. Grabe yung face ni Gwen. Bumagay talaga sa kanya yung yung blonde na buhok. Nahanap niya doon talaga yung kulay ng buhok niya. Before, orange. Tapos, parang ginger. Ganon. Pero yung blonde, bumagay talaga sa sa kanya nagko-compliment doon sa kung paano siya mag-makeup. Ang ganda, tingnan nyo pa lang dito, para siyang foreigner, para siyang Barbie. Nako, Gwen.
Love has got me hooked. I should
To
try
think na siya lang din,
something healthy, but it
minsan
never tastes as good.
nagme-makeup sa sarili niya.
Sweet tooth. Now I can't help but feel wants you. I know there's plenty worse addictions, but I just can't help but feeling. Me and my sweet tooth. Hey,
Wanna get over it, but do really want to. If I'm out late at night, trying to find my sweet tooth.
Kulit.
wanna get over it, but
Ulitin natin kay Kulit.
my sweet tooth.
Gumagawa siya ng choreo, palakala ka
Wanna
naman.
get over it, but do really want to. If I'm out late at night, trying to find my sweet tooth.
Wanna get over it, but you really want to. If I'm here every night, dreaming about your sweet tooth. Me and my sweet tooth. Now I
Grabe talaga yung harmonization nila, no?
want you. I know there's plenty worse addictions, but I just can't help the feeling. Me and my sweet tooth. Me and my sweet tooth. Now I can't help it.
Ang sweet naman ni Mika Lee.
I know there's plenty worse
Aya.
addictions, but
Go,
I
Aya.
just can't help
automatic na talaga sa kanila, no?
Wish exclusive on Wish 1075.
Me and my sweet tooth and you.
Automatic na talaga sa kanila pag, ano no, pag, yung muscle memory, sasayaw at sasayaw sila, sabay-sabay pa rin, no? And, ito yung edge ng, ng Beanie, yung synchronization nila and yung harmonization. Kumbaga, unti-unti nilang namamaster yung, yung galaw nila, yung pagbukas ng bibig nila, and yung pagkakasabay-sabay. So, yeah. Ako lang ba, or dahil dun sa tugtog, or sa melody ng kanta, medyo slow, hindi naman slow, pero parang malungkot yung the way nila kumanta. Or baka dahil lang talaga sa kanta, kasi slow R&B yung, yung Sweet Tooth. Baka, syempre, siguro sanay lang ako na napaka-hyper ng Beanie. Yeah. So, yun guys, stream nyo na yung Flames. Alam ko, medyo ilang buwan na yan lumabas, pero stream nyo pa rin. And support natin yung girls sa kanilang mga susunod pang mga guestings, mga albums, and concert. And actually, excited ako sa Coachella. So, parang iniisip ko pa lang ngayon, sabi ko nga dun sa friend ko, makwento ko lang. Sabi ko nga dun sa friend ko, friend, meron bang magpapa-live stream or parang viewing ng Coachella nila? Di ba merong live stream yon na parang ipapurchase mo rin yata yung live stream niya. And yun, sana meron, no? Parang since hindi naman tayo makakapunta sa ibang bansa mismo para manood, and hindi pa natin kaya yon, sana merong mabuting puso, mabuting blooms, mapagmahal na blooms sa kapwa blooms, mapagbigay na blooms, mapagpalang blooms na nakapag-avail ng live stream, and i-share niya rin. Hindi siya share na yung bibigyan ng link or parang live viewing din na parang pupunta doon lahat ng blooms and to watch ng sabay-sabay para ma-support natin ng sabay-sabay and bonggang-bongga yung Beanie. Sana meron. And blooms, count me in. Sana kung meron man, isama niyo ako. Gusto ko talaga manood. Sabi ko nga sa friend ko, absent talaga ako sa work. Magli-leave ako para lang doon. Kasi, syempre, hindi ako mapapakali ng araw na yon mismo. Talaga nga, ang isip ko nasa Beanie, nasa Coachella, and let's go Coachella, let's go Beanie. Guys, kung merong mga gano'n, mapagpalang blooms, mabuting pusong blooms, mapagbigay na blooms, mapagmahal na blooms, sana count me in. Gusto ko manood. And gusto ko rin makasama yung ibang blooms para sabay-sabay nating suportahan ang ating Nations Girl Group. Yeah. So, yun guys, ang dami ko nang sinabi. As usual. Pero, yan guys. Support natin Beanie. Yes! Thank you guys for watching, and sana kung na gustuhan niyo tong reaction video na to or pagdadaldal ko, just hit the like button, subscribe button, and share this video. And yeah, that's all. Thank you so much, and see you on our next reaction video. Bye-bye!